Welcome to Math Challenge 358. Here we have an algebraic equation x into x plus 3 into x plus 5 into x plus 8 is equal to 16. We have to find the value of x given x is an integer. Now do not multiply all the four factors. Multiplying all the four factors will give you x in the fourth power and a very complicated expression. We will have a much shorter and quicker method. How to solve it? Follow us for Olympiad exams, school exams, competitive exams, and aptitude tests. So let us see how to solve this equation x into x plus 3 into x plus 5 into x plus 8 equal to 16 without multiplying all the four factors. Now take the smallest and the largest. The smallest is x and the largest is x plus 8. So take the smallest and the largest and take the other two separately. So taking x and x plus 8 into one group and x plus 3 and x plus 5. Now this another group. So we get x square plus 8x. X into x plus 8 will give you x square plus 8x. And x plus 3 into x plus 5 will give you x square plus 15x. Sorry, x square plus 8x plus 50. The first group, x and x plus 8, when you multiply, x square plus 8x, and the other two numbers, x plus 3 and x plus 5, when you multiply, x square plus 8x plus 15. So this is equal to 16. Now suppose x square plus 8x, we write y. We will write y in place of x square plus 8x. So here we have got y and here we got y plus 15. So y into y plus 15 is 16. Writing y for x square plus 8x. Here we get only y and here we get y plus 15. So y into y plus 15 is equal to 16. Now we will see how to solve it. So we got y into y plus 15 is equal to 16 when you multiply y into y square and y into 15, 15y. So y square plus 15y minus 16 is 0. When you factorize, you will get y minus 1 into y plus 16 is equal to 0. So either y minus 1 equal to 0, that is y equal to 1, or y plus 16 equal to 0, so y equal to minus 16. So y was written in the place of x square plus 8x. So either x square plus 8x is 1 or x square plus 8x is minus 16. We will solve both of them. But since x is an integer, we will take only that value which gives you an integer. So first we are solving x square plus 8x equal to 1 or x square plus 8x minus 1 equal to 0. Now we apply the quadratic equation formula minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2. And we see that we are not getting an integer. Here you are not getting an integer. So we reject that because x was an integer. Now we take the other value x square plus 8x equal to minus 16, which will give you x square plus 8x plus 16 equal to 0 or x plus 4 whole square equal to 0. That gives you x plus 4 equal to 0 or x equal to minus 4. Now this is an integer, so we take this integer value x equal to minus 4. Although there are two solutions, but since x is an integer, we did not take this one. What it will give? Square root of 68 will not give you an integer. So we are taking this one, which is a complete square, x plus 4 whole square, perfect square. So x plus 4 whole square equal to 0, x equal to minus 4. So we take this value x equal to minus 4. So the answer x is equal to minus 4.
Was that interesting? If you have any other method, we would love to learn from you. We shall come back with more interesting videos. Like, share the videos, and subscribe to our channel if you are a math lover. Till then, goodbye.